Ferris Kartumi here, and for those of you that don't know me, I am a 24-time track record setter and holder, and this is the car that I do it in. Today we're going to be disassembling the lower control arms on the rear cradle and front cradle. I have new ones coming in with some new spherical bearings thanks to Gspeed, and we're going to start disassembling those right now. The ones I have on it right now are kind of worn out. They have a little bit of wiggle and play in them. I can feel it as I drive. I can see it on the alignment rack when I'm doing an alignment and I just barely move the wheel. So not only can I feel it, I can see it, so it's time to change them out. So I got this nifty little guy from my buddy Joey next door at Sold Designs. It's going to help us remove the ball joints a lot easier. So typically I just hit it with a hammer, and we're going to try this. So part of my weight loss program is removing the front windshield. The factory windshield weighs 30 pounds and the Lexan I'm going to replace it with weighs 10. So a solid 20 pounds in weight savings. I've never done this before, but I bought some tools from Harbor Freight and hopefully we can knock it out. So I'm going to try not to break the glass. We'll see if I can do it. Got the windshield out. It was kind of a nightmare, but as you saw, it all worked. We actually were able to salvage it, which I was getting a lot of people, as I called, saying that it was like a 75%, 25% chance that they actually save it. And we saved it. So take that, guys. I'm looking at this whole interior section of the car. I really want to get rid of this factory steering column, and I think I'm going to try to tackle that right now. At least just unbolt it, get it out of the car, and see what we can do after that. So take a look, and then we'll get to work. So I think we're gonna end it here. I got all the suspension taken off the cradles. I have the windshield removed. We have the steering, as you saw, removed as well. And I think that's a good stopping point for today. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Game over. Oh, man. Tetris.